What is the expression introduction? Okay, so terms are connected by mathematical operators. Okay, so here you can see always, for example, you have the two terms. Okay, and if you want to write them together, then how you can write? By just connecting mathematical operators like minus, like plus, right? So if you want to connect two terms, for example 6 and 2, then how you are able to connect them? By plus, by minus, and all those operators, right? Here we have the four operations. Okay, and after doing that, it is just an expression. Okay, fine. So there are several parts of expression, and the parts are what? Terms, variable, coefficient, and constants. So this we all already know, right? But still, if you want me, then I can write as well again. Let's say this is 5x minus 7. So 7 is a constant, x is a variable, 5 is the coefficient, right? And itself 5x is a term, and 7 is also a term. Okay, fine. All this learning. Okay, so this is the theoretical base points. Okay, these 4 points: terms, variable, coefficient, constants. After having the proper knowledge of those 4 points, you must be able to learn what is clearly the expression. Okay, and what is the clearly difference between expression and equation. Fine. So let's move on the next page, and here you can see the clear difference